Alright guys, welcome to the video. I'm installing speakers in the 2005 Dodge Ram 1500. So I didn't find a whole lot of videos for me to, help me out, so I just made my own. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and if you guys have any comments, just leave them in the comments, and I'll try to answer them if I can. And enjoy the video. Alright guys, so I got a 2005 Dodge Ram 1500. Putting in some Skar speakers. So we got the Skar speaker. This is the TX. Alright guys, so in the front I actually use the TX 6x9 in the front, and in the rear I use the TX 6.5. But for the front one, you need a spacer right here. So I got two 1/2-inch spacers from Metro. I got them on Amazon. It's the package right here. So we got those speakers. Then to the back, already kind of wrapped up. I got everything racked up. I got the amp under the seat. I ran the wires here under this panel, and I had to drill a hole. I drilled the hole right here. Two holes, one there on this panel, and another one right here. And I got that already wired up. So the way you take this panel off is gonna be the buckle here. The buckle here. The little part here. Oh, no, this one right here. Sorry. Where's that? So this buckle's here. All you have to do is take the panel off, pop the panel off. Pop this little panel off right here with the flathead. Take it out. I think it's a Torx 50, I think. And then you can run the wires in. And for the front, got this speaker. Run the wires up here, and you can pop this little plug out right here. You pop the plug out, you can run the wire in. Take this cardboard off, run it in, then you can actually sneak the wire in. If you have a flathead, you can sneak the wire in through there, that gasket. So I got these. I pre-drilled them. Got some screws. Got everything sticking. Got these screws. Now, hopefully I got a little bigger screws. So this is pretty much 1 inch. I should have just got 1 inch, but I got 2 1/2 inches, and it should go in there nicely. See if it's in it perfect. So that's pretty much it. Alright, so another look. I just finished everything up. I'll show you guys what you guys need to do. You guys want to put the speakers in. So we take this panel off right here to sneak the wires in. Is this panel right here, pop off, take that screw off. There's gonna be a clip up here, so take that. Alright guys, another little edit here. The other way you have to take it off is you have to take the little 2 handles off. There's gonna be 2 bolts in the handle, and just take those off. They're, I think, 10mm. Off, peel all the way down. Then you'll be able to remove this. Then you can take this off. This clips under here, so you just screw down and pry it up. And with this one, this door, the back door, all you have to do is take this bit right here, Phillips, then in there, right there, 10mm, or I don't know, with the 1245, I think. Right, so in the front, that's a plug. I drilled a small hole in it. There's the way I sneaked it right past it. And for this door, got a Phillips here, Phillips here. 2 Phillipses on the bottom. Then, yeah, that Phillips, and then the same thing here. Same thing in the door. 10mm. Also, when you guys want to put it back on, just pop this right off. It'll be easier. And yeah, there's a few plugs over here, and that's pretty much it. So, yep. So I got those off. On the other side now, I already did this side. So once you take these panels off, so get that bolt there I told you. There's a clip there. So the back, that's a clip there for the top. And that's pretty much it. It's the bottom here. Other side done. Now, this plug right here, all you want to do is get a flathead, take it out. that. Got that out. Then you get take out the plug. And it's let's see. Plug it out. All you gotta do is press down with it. See that right there? Plug right here. Press down on that thing right there. So, not flathead. Put your flathead. Press down on that. Alright. Cut that off. Now, all you gotta do is drill 2 holes. So, you drill a hole right here, right at the bottom of the plug. Then we're gonna drill another one. You do whatever, probably the bottom here. So you can run the wire through to the speaker, and that's pretty much it. So, like I said, take this door off, the screw. There's gonna be the bolt here. Pick it up. All you gotta do is for the doors, you grab it, you can lift it right up from the handle, and it'll pop right off. That's pretty much it. Alright guys, if you guys want the stuff in whatever I use in the video, make sure you guys check in the description. I'll link the bracket and the speakers in there, as well as the amp I used. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And if you need any questions, I'll be happy to help them. So just write them down in the comments, you know.